So the homes that I have remaining here, price points are around 1.6 to 1.7. Those homes do include roughly about $200,000 to $250,000 in amazing options and upgrades that are already rolled into that price. Skylar 2, we're anticipating prices starting around the 1.5 range and then going up from there.
With this particular tract that you built, the first Skylar, the original, how many phases was that in total? And if you can remember, and I'm sure you can, how many units were released? And how does all that work, maybe?
So Skylar 1 is a total of 14 phases. And each phase is anywhere from 5 to 8 homes per phase. And then as far as releases go, we sell through one phase, then we release the next, sell through that phase, release the next, and so forth.
The price increases, and I would assume each phase release maybe carried a little bit of a price increase?
Correct, yes.
What did that look like? Can you quantify that?
When we started here about 2 years ago, we started around the $1.3 million range. So we've had some great success here. There's been a lot of demand for the product that we offered.